Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily enable Screensaver on your CHiQ L32 TV. So first, what we need to do is go over to the control center right here. Don't click all settings, simply go here, and here we have the Screensaver. So once I click it, we will be redirected to the Screensaver, and here we can, I'll show you guys again. Here we can do just that, and from time to time these pictures change, so it's worth taking a shot. So that be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.